In this video, we are going to talk about Disney World's Beach Club Resort at Disney World in Orlando, Florida. We actually were able to stay at a studio room that we rented through David's Vacation Club Rentals. It was a lot less expensive. It was $900 for 3 nights, so $300 a night, which is not bad. This is what the Beach Club looks like from the backside. I mean, it is beautiful. When you go into the lobby, it smells like a beach, basically. And trust me, it has a distinct smell. It smells like their brand of shampoo conditioners called H2O. That's exactly what this lobby smells like, and it's beautifully decorated. We went in around like January, mid-January, and their holiday decorations were still up. So overall, we stayed in room 460, and what it had was a view of like the Tamer pool. There's a pool called Stormalong Bay that goes with the beach club and also yacht club. So this is a room. Again, it's a studio. As you go in, there is a king size bed. On the other side is a pull out sofa bed that is a queen size, and then on the other side you'll see a little bit later on a bed that kind of opens up from the wall. That is the tamer pool of the pools that you can access at Beach Club, and then it's a little balcony that you see there, and then that table right there, actually you can flip it out and it turns into a bed, and there's a little kitchenette that has like a refrigerator and sink. This is like the bathroom area, and then unlike the Polynesian, I did a separate video about that. This only has one bathroom, whereas the Polynesian has like a separate, like two showers, which is great for a family of six. This room is also supposed to only hold five, by the way. So we actually fit three kids on the pull-out sofa just fine. This is the hot dog that we got from downstairs kitchen. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But overall, I would say like it is pretty cramped for six because it's only meant for five. But we thought the stay was okay. I mean, it had everything we needed. It had a coffee machine, it had an area like with hooks that we could basically put all of our keys and stuff. And then this is what it looks like when the kids are sleeping. So we had our 11-year-old sleeping on the pullout, and then the other three kids on the sofa. So it was just fine. And then inside the lobby, there is also an area where people I saw were working. It's like a sunroom area that you could stay in. The kids didn't come here, but I went here and just toured the place when they were taking naps during the day. And then outside of this, you can actually see turtles inside of the little lake area that's right next to the hotel room. So that was really, really cool. Maybe bring bread, but I don't think you're supposed to feed the animals. And then this is a little coffee shop that they have inside of the beach club lobby. Again, we stayed at a villa, and so it was a little bit of a walk. Definitely to the main area, but this place had like hot foods that you could buy, not as like plentiful as the Polynesian or Grand Floridian, but it was pretty much everything that you could potentially want, especially if you're hungry. And you can get free water and from the fountain over there. And my kids said actually that every time they walked past, not when they're inside, but walked past this, they had a little funk that they smelled. I never smelled it, but my family complained about it. So just FYI there as a forewarning. So great little convenience area that you could use. And then this is Stormalong Bay. You can see like the shipwreck that's there. It is across the sidewalk. So your kids, if they're smaller, are going to have to go out of the gate and walk into another gate to get to the slide that comes all the way down in the back that you can see over there. And it's about 3.5 feet, and they can wear life jackets when they go down the pool. But this pool is huge, and it is a sand bottom pool. And there's also a sand area if you want your kids to play on the other side. And if you want them to avoid the sand so you don't get it trapped into your luggage and all that, you can avoid that. But it is a sand bottom pool, and it is really, really fun for kids. It goes all the way from like 3 feet all the way to I think 5.5 feet at some point. So just FYI there. And they have life jackets that you can borrow as well. And then the other thing I will say is that this hotel is a basically 15-minute walk to Hollywood Studios and a 5-minute walk to Epcot. It is unreal how close this resort is to two of the major parks, Hollywood Studios and Epcot. And then for Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom, you'll either have to take the bus or you'll want to make sure that you have a car that you can get to the parks there. But Epcot, literally, I mean, 5-minute walk, and then Hollywood Studios, 15-minute walk, or you can take the gondola, which will take you to one of the first resorts next, and then followed by Hollywood Studios. But it is awesome, especially if you don't want to have to drive to those parks. And that is my review of the Beach Club Resort at Disney World. It's nothing to write home about. It literally is just a hotel. There's nothing special about it. The only thing is they don't have like the installed, built-in like shampoo and conditioner like the Polynesian and some of the other resorts have. But it was enough for us to lay our heads at night and then spend most of our time at the park or in the pool. So there you have it, Beach Club Resort. Again, David's Vacation Club, $300 a night. You cannot beat that for a Disney World deluxe resort stay. Like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We talk all about family vacations and tips and tricks to make your vacations a little bit more enjoyable.